Good day everyone, my name is Navneet Anand from Voice Ajkal, local and global. Today here in studio in Bella Vista, we got a very special guest with us, Dr. Abdul Noor. Dr. Sir, welcome to the show.
Good morning and thank you very much. Thanks for inviting us.
You know, Dr. Abdul Noor, when I start counting, the list is going to be too long. Before I proceed on to that, let me start with your childhood and birthplace.
I'm from India, born in Hyderabad. Did my medical studies from Kurnool, which is a city of Andhra Pradesh. And now
How far is it from Hyderabad?
it's 210 kilometers from Hyderabad.
अच्छा वही 4 घंटे by drive and all.
Yeah, it's about 4 hours from Hyderabad to Kurnool. And I completed my studies, then I went to Saudi Arabia, and from there I came to Australia to do my masters in health services management. और यहाँ पे मैं 2000 में अपने health services management course complete किया, and then I got my residency in 2003.
Right. I'm still taking you back to your childhood. You know, हम सबके पास बेशुमार मेमोरीज रहती हैं चाइल्डहुड की, उस गलियों की कोई ना कोई खट्टी मीठी याद जो आपको आज भी लगता हो तो भी आई वांट टू रीलिव दैट चाइल्डहुड मेमोरी.
सबसे अच्छी चीज़ तो ये थी कि वहाँ पे ना एक हर स्ट्रीट में, हर गली में आपके अपने लोग रहते थे. कई दफ़ा ऐसे होता था कि हम घर से छुप के अपने दोस्त के घर में जाके वहाँ पे खेल रहे होते थे. There was no restrictions कि भाई आप इस टाइम पे आ सकते हो या इस टाइम पे जा सकते हो. And parents know कि भाई आपके पड़ोसी आपके अपने लोग होते हैं. And that's what I miss here, और मेरे अपने बच्चों के लिए भी. यहाँ पे ना उतनी ज़्यादा अफेक्शन मुझे नज़र नहीं आई है, उतनी ज़्यादा क्लोजनेस नज़र नहीं आई.
You know, मेरे ख्याल से ना उस समय सबसे बड़ी बात क्या थी, आईपैड, फोन,
वो नहीं,
स्मार्टफोन का जमाना नहीं था, तो हम लोग वी यूज्ड टू गो आउट एंड रादर देन हैविंग द सोशल मीडिया फ्रेंड्स, मुझे लगता है हम लोगों के पर्सनल फ्रेंड्स बहुत थे, दैट पर्सनल टच बहुत रहा.
ज़्यादा रहा, क्योंकि स्कूल से आते सबसे पहले बैग घर में फेंक के रख दिए और फौरी बाहर निकले, गए या तो क्रिकेट खेले या कुछ और खेले, दुनिया जहाँ की बातें करते. फिर शाम में मगरिब के वक्त मम्मी का आ जाता था कि भाई चलो फौरी आ जाओ घर आके, ना मतलब रेडी हो जाओ, नमाज पढ़ो, फिर अपनी स्कूल की पढ़ाई करो.
तो उस समय मोबाइल फोन नहीं होते तो मैसेंजर घर पे कोई छोटा भाई या बड़ा भाई या पड़ोसी ही ढूंढ के लेके आता था.
जी जी जी.
You know, this is what I see. Children of today versus life what we have. आज की डेट में हमें बच्चों को घर से निकालना पड़ता है, जाओ खेल के आओ, और उस समय माँ बाप बोलते थे चलो भैया अब खेल बहुत हुआ, अभी घर आओ.
घर आ जाओ. बिल्कुल सही है, क्योंकि एज सुन एज बच्चे जब घर वापस आते हैं उनकी सबसे पहली नज़र जाती है टीवी पर कि भाई मेरा मतलब वहाँ पे ना या तो कोई प्रोग्राम फेवरेट देखूं या फिर कोई गेम्स खेलो मैं उस पर, या फिर मोबाइल पे लेके बैठ जाऊँ. अब वो चीज़ रही नहीं. वो मेरा ख्याल है वो पुरानी चीज़ें आना. आई थिंक वी लीव्ड इन गोल्डन डेज. हम सबसे अच्छा दौर देखें, पहले हम पैदल चलते थे, साइकिल आई, मोटरसाइकिल, कार. अब बच्चों के पास सिर्फ कार है, उनको कुछ पता नहीं है मोटरसाइकिल के या कार के बारे में. पहले लोग साइकिल पे ट्रैवल करते थे, अब लोग अपनी हेल्थ के लिए साइकिल पे ट्रैवल कर रहे हैं. दैट्स व्हाट डिफरेंस इज.
मेरे ख्याल से क्योंकि साइकिल पे ट्रैवल करते थे इसलिए हेल्थ नॉर्मली ठीक रहती थी, मतलब फिजिकल वर्क जो रहता था वर्सेस टुडे, उसी में काफी फर्क
हो जाता था.
आपने मेडिकल साइंसेस में अपनी स्टडीज कंप्लीट किया, यहाँ पे आके मास्टर्स आपने हेल्थ साइंसेस में करी. उसके बाद आर यू स्टिल इन टच विद द हेल्थ सेक्टर एट ऑल, और व्हाट इज योर प्रोफेशन?
I'm involved in college where we offer diploma of nursing courses, mental health, community services, dental technology. I'm not doing any practice in medicine,
but you are still in touch.
In touch with the medical
with the medical lines and
industry.
ये जो colleges हैं, where are they based?
In Melbourne, in Sydney. We have a few campuses in Sydney as well. और Melbourne में भी हमारे 3 campuses हैं. So we have one of the provider who have diploma of nursing courses. Not many colleges got diploma of nursing approval by ANMAC.
Right.
So we are one of them.
अच्छा, तो ये तो सबसे पहले मेरे ख्याल से उन सब स्टूडेंट्स के लिए, जैसे इंडिया से अभी बॉर्डर जल्दी खुलने वाले हैं, that they have an option to come and do other health sciences courses as well as nursing is one option.
Oh yes. Diploma of nursing is one of the best courses. Any health course या फिर आप community services course ले लें आप, वो it is in demand. अभी हमारे पास recently we got approval for diploma of emergency healthcare. वो
अच्छा।
भी it is in demand because like once you complete that course you have option to go in higher education in Bachelor of Nursing or Bachelor of Health Support Services.
मैं डेफिनेटली इस वीडियो में एक लिंक डाल के स्ट्रिप में आपकी कॉन्टैक्ट डिटेल्स जाने वाला हूँ, क्योंकि इफ देयर आर पेरेंट्स और स्टूडेंट्स हु वांट टू गेट इन टच विद यू, आई विल पुट दैट लिस्ट इन दैट.
Oh, thank you very much.
Moving on, education, profession, you have had a wonderful career all through. But what I have seen is you seem to be more satisfied doing the community services. When I say community services, you are part of a bigger organization which goes and support people out there.
Again, we have to look in back from India, जहाँ से हम लोग आए हैं.
अच्छा.
वहाँ पे हमको बचपन से यही सिखाया जाता है कि भाई आपस में एक दूसरे के साथ प्यार मोहब्बत से रहो. यही सिखाया जाता है कि भाई अगर आप किसी को देखो ज़रूरतमंद को, यू हेल्प देम, एंड दैट्स व्हाट वी लर्न. और फिर यहाँ पे हम वही चीज़ कर रहे हैं.
उसी को प्रैक्टिस कर रहे हैं.
बिल्कुल उसी को प्रैक्टिस कर रहे हैं.
What is the name of the organization?
Humanity First Australia,
अच्छा.
and this was established in 1994. It's a very old organization.
अच्छा, ऑस्ट्रेलिया से बाहर भी इनकी कोई कनेक्शंस हैं?
Over 65 countries में registered है.
So Humanity First is there in 65 countries, what you mean?
Yes, over 65 countries and since last 25 years.
अच्छा, एग्जैक्ट मकसद क्या रहता है? How do you help people?
Humanity First name itself says कि भाई we always prefer to support humanity regardless what religion, what color and what background they are from.
Irrespective of caste, creed, color, religion,
बिल्कुल.
उसमें वो मैटर नहीं करता.
No matter. And it's not a political organization nor it is any religious organization.
अच्छा, so affiliation किसी political party के साथ नहीं है
No.
और directly कोई religious.
It is not a religious organization.
So
It is
anybody
just-
from any religion can come.
Oh yeah, हमारे अपनी organization में we have lots of volunteers and especially donors. They are from other communities, other countries, other businesses. They come forward. जब वो देखते हैं कि भाई we are doing something for the community. Recently, I'll give you a good example. कि we distributed over 250,000 face masks and sanitizers in Australia itself. I'm not talking whole world, just in Australia. Achha, before we purchased this one, we went to a couple of suppliers. आपको पता है यहाँ पे minimum $25 का एक 50 face mask का box आता है. Can you believe that? We got the same box for $4.10, $4.50 including GST.
अच्छा, तो ये जो supplier था, he also got interested in supporting the organization.
Oh yes.
You know?
Because like he knows that we are giving this for free for like to community. We are not taking, we are not selling that one, and that's why he gave us very best price.
मेरे ख्याल से जिस किसी का भी ये आइडिया रहा होगा टू स्टार्ट दिस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, जैसे वो नॉर्मली कहते थे अकेला चला था, कारवां बनता चला गया, लोग जुड़ते चले गए. आप जैसे लोग जब इस फील्ड में आए, I'm 100% sure you are doing it with not any of your personal gains and motives. You are trying to do it. क्योंकि मुझे आपको स्टूडियो में लाने के लिए बहुत वक्त लग गया, because you didn't want to face the camera and talk about it. But मेरी intention ये थी that I wanted to bring out to more people who are there to support, पर उनको वजह नहीं मिल पाती है, जगह नहीं मिल जाती है, किस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन के साथ जुड़ के वो सपोर्ट करें.
First of all, like Navneet bhai, when we started Humanity First in Australia, registered in Australia, we didn't had many volunteers. Especially during COVID time, we went to the people, we went to the community, we said, bhai, this is the right time, we have to support our community members. Believe me, we got now over 100 volunteers. They are ready to come and support and go in the workforce and then help us. During strict lockdown in Sydney, we distributed over 15,000 food packets, grocery boxes to needy people. Or we have been contacted by Mounted Police, and they regularly give us the numbers कि भाई ये families हैं, इनको दो. We started with.
अच्छा, so even the police came forward and started supporting the community by giving you the details, ताकि आप लोग जाके उनकी मदद कर पाएं.
हम उनकी मदद करते थे.
Right.
उस वक्त जब कोई घर से बाहर निकलने को तैयार नहीं था, our volunteers, Humanity First Australia volunteers, they said that no, we will go outside, we will deliver the grocery boxes, we will deliver the foods. पहला जब हमारे पास रिक्वेस्ट आई थी, वी गॉट अबाउट, एक फैमिली थी जिसमें दे डिडंट हैड एनी फूड सिंस मॉर्निंग.
ओहो.
एक लेडी, उसकी मदर 75 years old एंड डॉटर 4 years old didn't had any food until 4 o'clock. जैसे हम आपको कॉल है, straight away we went there.
You know the kind of satisfaction that
Oh,
you
yes,
get.
yes, yes.
ऐसा काम करने के बाद एक जो दिल को सुकून मिलता है, जो satisfaction मिलती है, you know, money cannot buy that.
Cannot buy that satisfaction. And you see कि भाई हमारे जो volunteers है, they are from 5 years up to 70 years old. How 5 years old can support us? हमारे पास जो boxes हैं, grocery boxes, to pack those boxes. Because you know, like it's
so उससे बच्चे में भी वो उस
They are
उम्र से
learning
उसमें
from
एक concept समझ में आ रहा है भी सर्विस क्या होती है.
it's like in a Humanity First Australia, it's a family, like family. So we work, we look after each other, and when we need some things, one volunteer said that, okay, I'll take these boxes because it's hard for us to, you know, like put everything here. I'll go home and you fix that one. And then he asked his son to help him, and then he did that one. So this is the way now we are teaching our children to come forward to support community.
You know, ये जो पैंडेमिक का दौर पिछले 2 साल से चला है, yes, there have been disasters, there have been so sad stories all around, but one thing which I have learned, एक लोगों में पेशेंस आनी शुरू हुई, दूसरा लोग एक दूसरे के क्लोज आने शुरू हुए, ह्यूमन लाइफ की जो वैल्यू है, ह्यूमन रिलेशंस की जो वैल्यू है वो समझ आनी शुरू हुई. सो व्हाट आई हैव सीन इज दे स्टिल पॉजिटिव हैव कम आउट during this pandemic, that people and families have come closer to
They
each other.
started looking after each other, yes. And लोग बोलते हैं कि भाई they lost job, they lost income, they lost so many things, but as a vice chairman of Humanity First Australia, and I'm the fundraising director as well, I saw people, they come forward, you know, like you don't know, some people, they send you the money, because without our donor support, I don't think so कि भाई we can reach up to where we are now. As I said कि भाई हम पिछले दिनों अफगानी जो community recently, they came from Afghanistan as a refugee, and thanks to the Australian government, we received a phone call from Shepparton Mayor and our Melbourne chapter. They contacted them and they deliver 100 grocery boxes, 100 to 100 families.
Right.
In Sydney, we distributed over 1,500 clothes and toys and all these things to Afghani families.
Acha, donor and volunteer, these are the two backbones, like a
Yes.
left hand and right hand. If any of the donor has to contact Humanity First, or any of the volunteer has to contact Humanity First, how can they do that?
They can go to our website, which is www.au.humanityfirst.org.
Right.
So
Right.
they can go there, they can register themselves as a donor, or they can register themselves as a volunteer as well. And then as soon as we receive the email, then we will contact them.
Lovely. What is your vision for the next 5 years?
We want to be one of the organization who is always ready to support community. We have been contacted by maybe 4 or 5 government officials or departments. Now we want to be remembered as, if there is any issue, straight away they should call Humanity First Australia.
Right. Right. Any of the message that you want to give before we wrap up on the camera, please?
I would like to thank you to all our volunteers and donors for their support, unconditional support, and we wish them all the best, and also we wish all our recipients as well. We wish them that they may not need anyone's support, they will be doing by their own things. I also request our community to come forward to be part of our Humanity First as a volunteer or as a donor. Thank you very much.
You know, it is very, very satisfying for me as well to sitting with Dr. Abdul Noor, knowing about this humble organization who is out there to support unconditionally without any returns to be taken back by any of the organization members. Thank you so much. आज आपका टाइम देने के लिए आपका बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद.
It's an honor to be with you, Navneet bhai. And I would like to say thank you to Navneet Bhai and his team for always supporting us. Thanks a lot.
जी हाँ, आज हमने ह्यूमैनिटी फर्स्ट के वाइस चेयरमैन डॉक्टर अब्दुल नूर से की बातचीत और मैं आपका नवनीत. थैंक यू सो मच.
Thanks a lot.
Fiji Times. Be with the times. One-stop answer to your Australian education and visa matters. Gemco Sydney. Dream big, achieve big.
Good day everyone, my name is Navneet Anand from Voice Ajkal Local and Global.